In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a Steam connection error. So what you want to do is navigate to your search bar and type in CMD. Right click the command prompt, click Run as Administrator. You're going to click Yes on the pop-up. So what you want to do is type in ipconfig/release. Afterwards, you're going to type in ipconfig/flushdns. Afterwards, ipconfig/renew. So after this is done, you're going to type in netsh int ip reset. Okay. Finally, you're going to type in netsh winsock reset. So as you can see, you have to restart your computer for this to take action. Thank you for watching.